One.
Welcome to Behind the Scenes Song Check.
Let's go. No longer living my life on the black line.
I'm hungry, I have a headache, and I have to do what I have to do to make sure that tonight the ministry is strong and it starts here. Alright, so see you guys in a little bit. See you on stage tonight.
Very excited that Curtis is in St. Lucia and we're going to be making a joyful noise tonight. Oh! Look this today. We're going to the supermarket. Go, we'll walk up.
So we are actually downtown Castries, yeah. So we came and try out the KFC, you know we must. Because we are the kings and queens, Trinidadians are the kings and queens of KFC. Where we land somewhere, we must sample. We must sample what people are producing to ensure that the kernel is well represented everywhere, right? So yeah, it was good. Right, Jane? This guy right here, he is the promoter of A Joyful Noise, and we are downtown for a bit before we head back. That's it. Hey guys, welcome back to Take One. We are here in St. Lucia, and tonight is the night of the event. It is A Joyful Noise, and with me, I have a couple of St. Lucian artists here. Introduce yourself, fellas.
What's up? My name is Adrian Flang. I'm from Beaufort in St. Lucia. It is a pleasure to be here, and it's really good to see you guys.
Come on.
Yo, this is your boy AJ, straight out from St. Lucia. It's a Joyful Noise concert tonight. Big up!
Alright guys, so look out for everything else that's coming after this video. You're gonna see much more from these guys. I'm gonna grab a clip while they're on stage. So wait, look out. Gospel coming through. Gospel to the world. Blessings.